right, the entertainment news. Court orders DNA test for late singer's Mobad son. An Ikorodu Magistrate Court has ordered that a DNA test to be conducted to determine the paternity of Liam Aloba, the only son of late Nigerian singer Ilerioluwa Aloba, popularly known as Mobad. The directive was issued following an application by the late singer's father, Joseph Aloba, who requested the test as part of ongoing proceedings concerning the child's custody and welfare. The court ruled that the DNA samples must be collected in the presence of both parties and carried out in 2 different hospitals, one in Nigeria and the other abroad, to ensure accuracy and transparency. During the session, Omowunmi Cynthia Aloba, the widow of the late singer and mother of Liam, did not oppose the application. The court also emphasized that the DNA test was necessary to avoid unnecessary delays and further complications in the case. The matter has been adjourned until November 11, 2025, when the court is expected to review the test results and proceed with further deliberations. This is not the first time a DNA test has been brought up regarding Liam. In October 2024, Omowunmi had publicly agreed to the procedure, stating she had nothing to hide. However, the process was stalled following disagreements over the choice of hospital and testing conditions. The paternity of Mobad's son has been a hot topic on social media since the singer's untimely death in September 2023 at the age of 27. While many fans have called for justice regarding the circumstances of his death, public discourse has often shifted focus to personal matters involving his family. The upcoming DNA test is expected to bring clarity to the ongoing legal and familial disputes as both families await the next hearing in November. Again, we are back to this situation.
This is really sad because I feel like that it's a two-way thing. Either she's telling the truth or she's not telling the truth. However, why is this a point for discussion? Why are we trying to find out? I mean, Mobad died. Yeah. Our attention should be who killed Mobad. Justice for Mobad, right? Why are we focusing on whether Liam is Mobad's son or not? How will that information help the case? Why can't we even find out if this his father, this Aloba man is actually Mobad's father?
Oh, wow.
No, because it's the truth. Honestly, I have more reasons to doubt that this man is Mobad's father than I have to doubt that Mobad is Liam's father. That's my own opinion, though.
It's crazy how family issues, because Mobad, a super rising star, just passed away untimely. And yeah, that's why this is all in like our business. And of course, the old justice for Mobad situation, how family issues have become public discourse. The paternity test, wanting to know if the wife is involved. I think it's just it's a bigger umbrella for the justice for Mobad situation. Who is involved? Who was in the house when he passed? Why are there fishy situation into the passing? Is Wunmi involved? Is there ulterior motive? Is it friends? Is it the family? So I think the bigger umbrella is, okay, yeah, justice for Mobad will come, and it's still sad that this guy has not been buried.
Which brings me back.
But let's know if this child, Liam, is this guy's son, and of course it will cover the whole umbrella.
Yeah,
also,
which brings me back to what I said earlier.
It's just clarity, it's closure.
Yeah, so
it's closure.
that would do something in vindicating his wife, right?
It's just closure, closure.
So why are we not doing DNA tests between his father and him also? Closure.
That is not the justice.
Closure, no.
The justice is for the guy
because
that died,
at the end of the day,
the artist.
I remember when Mobad just died and everybody was grieving and everything. Yeah. It got to everybody, even people that are not their family members. But interestingly, I kept seeing this man granting different interviews, dropping songs.
Everybody did interviews.
Yeah, no, I mean, his own was a lot.
Because father.
Anyways, it's not let's hope justice is served and Mobad gets buried very soon.
Definitely.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, next up we have my man in the news. Yes, guys. Falz hints at keeping marriage private amid speculation over wedding photo shoot. Now, Nigerian rapper and actor Falana, popularly known as Falz, has hinted that he may keep his marriage away from the public eye if he ever decides to tie the knot. This comes after a set of wedding-themed photos recently went viral, sparking widespread speculation that the entertainer had secretly gotten married. Falz later clarified that the images were simply part of a photo shoot and not an actual marriage introduction. Now addressing the buzz in a video shared on his Instagram page, Falz joked that people might not even care when he eventually gets married. It's bold of you to assume that if I'm actually getting married, I will share it, he said. He added, and I quote, "One of the funniest things is that since the big reveal and everybody found out I'm not actually married, a lot of people have been saying this is a case of the boy who cried wolf. When I eventually get married, nobody's going to care. But you never know. I might be so in love and just feel like I want the world to know," end of quote. Falz, known for blending humor with serious commentary in his music and acting, left fans guessing. Signing off with best of luck and stay tuned. Thanks and God bless, end of quote.
So talk to us. What was,
Okay,
this,
so
what was this about?
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I'm going to put this out there that Falz can do no wrong in my eyes. Yeah, because I've had a crush on Falz since I was in GS3. Yeah, just putting it out there, just for record. And, you know, I was one of those that were really hurt when I saw the entire marriage. I mean, I don't know him, never spoken to him or anything, but I just feel like... I just feel like we should have something. There should be something going on. Like, you get, like, Falz, if you can see this, call me. But it's really interesting. I love how he captured everybody's attention with the entire wedding thing.
But yo, who doesn't know all of these things? Immediately I saw the photo shoot, I just knew it was.
No, I don't think so, though.
It's Falz.
It's Falz.
It's a falano.
And
you will probably not be in his business if you really
yeah,
want to do that. It's
the
an
fact
entertainer, yeah. It's a
which
musician,
makes
it's a
that
public
picture,
figure.
which makes that picture more, I mean, more accurate, or which makes that picture more
It
suspicious.
will probably, like he stated, like you people will probably not want to be in his business. So if he really wants to do anything that deals with his private life, he will keep his private
Which
life
brings
private.
me back to my point.
Okay.
I mean, if he's going to get married, we're probably not going to know. We're not going to have details.
So you
But if he's
putting
going
that up, yeah.
If he's going to post that, I mean, he can decide that, okay, he wants to put it up. And like he said before, he might be so in love that he decides to, you know, show it off to the world.
Level, yeah.
So you never can tell. And the fact that he even posted the picture and the girl's face was not exactly showing, it just made sense that, oh, I bet this guy is actually getting married. But yes, congratulations to all of us. He's not getting married.
Wow.
I don't know how people tagged me in that picture. That, oh, Oida, how do you feel? Your man is getting married. And I'm like, guys, I am licking my wounds right now.
I'm sure that picture just broke a whole lot of people's hearts immediately.
I said, how the effect it had on me. I'm not joking. Like, I felt down. After you noticed that day, I was probably feeling down. I thought something else was wrong with me. This was it. But yes, congrats to Falz on his successful PR scam.
All right, on to the next entertainment news. Cardi B wins $24 million assault case. Rapper Cardi B has been cleared by a Los Angeles jury in a $24 million civil lawsuit filed by security guard Imani Ellis, who accused her of assault during a 2018 altercation outside an obstetrician's office. The trial, which began last week, centered on Ellis' claims that the Grammy-winning rapper cut her cheek with a 3-inch fingernail and spat on her. At the time, Cardi B was 4 months pregnant with her first child, a fact not publicly known then, prompting the medical office to close for the day to protect her privacy. Taking the stand, Cardi B gave candid testimony denying all allegations and insisting that Ellis had followed her, filmed her on her phone, and refused to give her space. After deliberating for just about an hour, the jury found the star not liable for assault, battery, intentional infliction of emotional distress, negligence, or false imprisonment. Speaking outside the courthouse after the verdict, Cardi B declared, and I quote, "I work all day. I work hard for my money, for my kids, for the people that I take care of. So don't ever think you are going to sue me. I am just going to settle," end quote. She also urged her fans not to harass Ellis or her family now that the case has been resolved. However, the rapper sparked new headlines shortly afterward when she clashed with a reporter over what she described as a disrespectful question about her personal life. The reporter asked if her husband, Offset, was bragging about her getting pregnant for the 4th time and if there could be paternity issues with alleged names mentioned. Visibly upset, Cardi B threw a pen in the reporter's direction and fired back. "Stop disrespecting me, don't disrespect me. Do you see women asking this type of questions to me? Why do you feel as a man that you could ask me those kind of questions? Act like you have some manners. and your mama taught you to respect women, end quote. The exchange drew a mixed reaction online, with some praising Cardi B for standing her ground against intrusive questioning, while others criticized her response so soon after being cleared of assault allegations. Cardi B.
This is a very, very clear case of I know send una. I know really send una. But I mean, it's really crazy. First of all, congratulations to Cardi B. And
did you see videos and pictures from the court proceedings?
Yes, I did.
It was very comical, by the way.
I said,
because Cardi B was like, it was a very comical proceeding.
I feel like this entire Cardi B situation just comes around, to what I always say. Let us give celebrities
humans too.
They're humans. Let's cut them some slack. First of all, what even led her to this court case was somebody trying to invade on her privacy, trying to intrude. Now, this reporter, again, is another issue of another person, trying to invade on her privacy. It's not...
So you just came out of a situation.
Yes.
Yeah, the question is triggering.
Yes.
Wouldn't you have just looked for a way to...
Cardi B? Cardi?
So you can imagine if the pen that she threw or the marker that she threw...
entered his eyes or injured him.
That is another situation, just escaping from one.
This situation started in 2018. I don't think she has a very drama-free life.
Yeah.
So I don't think she's going to be scared of any drama. But what I stand for and what I'm excited about is the fact that she did not stand to be disrespected. She did not allow any form of disrespect. Yes, I am a celebrity, I'm a public figure. That does not mean you would disrespect me and get away with it. And I love the fact that she did not wait for, the clips and everything to come out before she starts debunking anything. There and then, she put a stop
as we were reporting,
as we were,
cameras rolling.
I'm going to answer to the cameras. You want one news, I give you another news. I give you new things to talk about. So yeah, shout out to Cardi. I've always been a Cardi fan. Love her so much. I mean, and I love her.
I love the part where she told people not to
harass Ellis.
Attack the person, because I get when we took the news here, I said this person is looking for a quick cash.
Yes, and very attention-seeking
thank God she
person.
won the case.
And I love the fact that she also said the next time this happens, she's going to counter sue. So yeah. All right, that's that on our entertainment gist for today. I hope you had as much fun listening as I did saying it. Yeah, no, actually.